So with the world that we live in today, the world of social media, we hear so many things every day about what the best way or the fastest way to make $10,000 a month is. In this video, we're going to go over what I believe the quickest and best way to make 10,000 or more every single month in a sustainable way. It's not drop shipping. It's not affiliate marketing. It's none of those things that we see in mainstream media. The best way for you to start and actually make $10,000 a month or more every single month is through insurance. That is the number one way for you to be able to accomplish this and make it sustainable. So as we dive into this, we're going to go over how it's possible, what the steps are, and how you can make this a reality for yourself. So the very first step in becoming a licensed insurance agent is to get your license. That's the very first thing you have to do. It's not a complex process. It doesn't take a ton of time, but it does take some dedication from you. What we do at Haven Financial Network is we help you through that process. We're going to give you the tools and the resources that you need to be able to get that license and get started making that $10,000 a month. The second thing that you need to do is align yourself with a team that has the same values and work ethic that you do. One of the biggest things that we do at Haven is make sure that we understand the agents that we work with. We know that everybody is different, so we put time into each and every agent that we have to make sure that we are doing the best things for them and helping them grow and succeed in the ways that they want to. We're not going to tell you that there's one path you have to follow. There are guardrails involved, but we put those there from years of experience. And we know that there is a path that is going to make you the most successful. If you're willing to follow that path, you're going to have freedom and you're going to have a lot of things that you'll add to yourself outside of what we provide for you. So once you put all that together, those are the things that are going to lead you down the road that you are, one, paving yourself, but also getting help from us, knowing that you are following the right direction to get to that goal that you have. The third thing that you're going to have to do is do the work. That's it. It's not a complex thing. There is math involved in this, and it's simple math. Work leads, set the appointments, make the sales. It's that simple. Once you become familiar with the products and you've used the training that we provide to you, all you have to do is do the work day in and day out. The producers that are producing high six figures a year, they're running a ton of appointments and working a ton of leads. It is that simple at the end of the day. Work the leads, set the appointments, make the sales, and continue to learn about the changes for the products, the changes with all of the carriers, and figure out where you're the best and double down on that. That's the secret. Double down on what you're good at and continue to do the work day in and day out, no matter what. So if you've ever thought about being an insurance agent, or maybe you already are, and you just don't feel like you're aligned with the team that you're with now, then click the link in the description. We made a short video that's going to tell you about all the things that we offer at Haven Financial Network and all the things that we can do to make your business better. So if this is something you're interested in, I highly suggest that you watch that video, learn a little bit about us, and then schedule a call with our team. We'd love to learn more about you and see if it is a great fit and show you the ways that we're able to help you get to that $10,000 a month. Or maybe you're already at 10,000 and we can provide a couple of tools that maybe you don't have, or a couple of carriers that you don't have already that can help get you to that 20, 30, 40, or maybe even 50,000 a month. The best thing for you to do is just schedule that call, have a conversation with us, and let's see if it's a good fit. We look forward to speaking with you guys. Everybody that schedules a call, we make sure to show up and do everything that we can to provide you all of the answers and the information that you need. That way we can make sure that we're here to help, because at the end of the day, that's what we're here for, to help you, support you, and help you continue to grow as an agent in this industry.